about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be showing you how to do a velocity, which is not a very popular thing, but I feel like it's really cool. And if you don't know what a velocity is, I will play it for you right now. But yeah, so I'm just gonna grab the video that I'm going to edit. Mine is of my idol, Zoe. And here goes. So I'm gonna set the end before it goes into the here, like here. This like cinema. That's it. So now I click make video. Now in this, it doesn't really have, or it does have beats, but velocities don't have to have beats in it. Obviously you can do beats, but I don't really like doing beats and velocities. I feel like it should be random. So I'm just going to click multi-split scene, and I'm going to do it at random times. Okay, so then you click split. And now it is paid, so it's not free. Sorry, I didn't say that. But yeah, the pack, I think the only pack you will need, except from the colouring, is this scissors pack. But yeah, so in the first clip, you're going to click modify clip, and then you're going to go to change speed. And if you want to go fast at start, and then slow, and then fast, you can click fast, slow, fast. But I want to go slow, fast, slow. And then you can change your speed here. Then you click apply. Then you can play it. So then it's like that. So then you save. So obviously that looks quite normal when it just goes into a normal clip. But now you just basically do the exact same thing over and over again. It's really easy. So all you do is that, and yeah, it's very easy. I've heard someone say velocities are quite hard, but they're really not. So obviously mine isn't very, the slow-mo is slow, but the fast isn't really fast. Obviously you can do it at different speeds. You don't have to do the exact same speed as me. Obviously you can if you want to. Some clips can be, you can actually do these two, but I do like this better. Sorry if I already clicked apply, I sometimes do that. Tell you something that is really, well, it's quite important for the last clip. Okay, so now I'm on the last clip. When you click modify clip, it asks you if you want to have it flexible or fixed. I would always do it fixed. If you want to do it flexible, flexible means that the clip can be shorter or longer than the original. I would do it fixed because if someone had the video and they looked at it like side by side, it wouldn't be the same. So that's why. You just do the exact same thing in the last clip. So I'm going to show you something that merge all the clips, which is free. Set start, set end, merge. Right, so now we have this full clip. I'm going to click re-effect clip, click the plus button, then I'm going to do vert panels. Now I'm going to click 2 panels, and I'll click quick effects. This is an essential, but it's good. So now I'm going to click re-effect clip, the plus, go into this, and no, I'm going to go into the paintbrush and try and find it, because actually no, this isn't free, but I'm going to click Pro Blur, which is like this, and quick effects. Quick effects doesn't really do anything except for re-effect the clip, just you can't like change it. So then you click multi-layer clip, click number 1 as the and then actually no, sorry about that. Number 1 is the blurred out 2 panels, and the 2 is this. So now I'm going to add mask, and then shape, and then click 3 lines, and then do this, no. So you do that, and then you like turn it, and then you like so it's quite hard to say. Wait a second. Okay, so I found it. It's this one, and then you just do it like that. You can do whatever shape you want, but that's a good one. And then you click done. So now it's like this. Now I'm gonna do color. I'm gonna slide all the way to outline fuzzy, and I'm going to click the up button, and I'm going to change the color to black. It's quite laggy, but that's nice. Then you click create. Yes. And then it just adds the effect. Obviously you can do it way better than me, but there's just an example. Now I'm going to show you how to do a clear watermark, which isn't essential as I normally say, but it is quite handy so nobody really takes your video. So I'm going to click multi-layer clip, number 1, and the clip that we just made. Now I'm going to click number 2 and text. Then I'm going to add in my username, which is vs, which stands for video style, by the way, if you didn't know. Edit. Then I go into the T, and the colour is, by the way, going to be grey. Then the outline, I'm not going to have an outline, but obviously you can if you want to. Then I'm going to click done, and then I'm just going to put it wherever I want. And then I'm going to click colour. I'm going to slide, this is a weird one, by the way. It's called Freaky BG, which stands for Freaky Background. You're going to click that, and you can choose, actually, you can choose, actually no you can't, sorry, I thought you could choose, but yeah, it just makes it clear. You can really put it wherever you want. If it's in black, by the way, it does not work, so if I put it there, the T is missing, so I wouldn't. Obviously you can do it with different fonts, but this, as I said, this is just an example. Then click create and yes. And there you have it, a velocity with like the panels. Obviously that isn't very center, but you can do it way better than me. And a clear watermark. Loads of stuff in one video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hit the like if this helped you, and dislike it if not, I'm joking. And subscribe to me if you want more tutorials. Bye!